We're really excited that Mason District is having our first ever restaurant week, September 8th through September 15th. It's an idea to showcase all of the wonderful culture, the food, and the diversity that makes Mason District the cultural hub of Fairfax County. It also gives us an opportunity to really showcase the small businesses that are here in Mason District. As a new supervisor, I really wanted to showcase the diversity here in Mason District. We have such a wonderful culture, whether it's the Korean community, the Hispanic community, and all of the other communities. We're very inclusive here in Mason District, and that's what makes us strong, and that's what makes our community strong. And the idea was, how can we showcase everything that is offered when it comes to the diversity of food here in Mason District? And why not? A restaurant week sounds like a fantastic idea. As a foodie hub, we wanted to make sure that folks knew from all around the region, the DMV, Fairfax, that Mason District is a landing point when it comes to wonderful cuisine, culture, and food. We have over 400 restaurants here in Mason District, and that includes restaurants from all different types of cuisine from around the world. So the residents of Mason District, which are 63%, from different parts of the world and different countries. The significance of this event, Restaurant Week, is one, it's the first time Mason District has ever done Restaurant Week. We get to showcase small businesses, we get to showcase cuisine, culture, food, all under the Cultural Hub umbrella, and we're really excited to have residents, both from Fairfax and the DMV area, come and taste and learn why Mason District is the foodie hub here in Fairfax County. For more information, go online to see participating restaurants. I hope you'll come out and see what's cooking in Mason District.